Hi there, this is Malay and welcome to my channel. In today's video, let's continue understanding the control flow if-else. We will consider a same scenario what we saw in the last video of switch statement. The scenario is we will have a score and depending on the score we will define the grade. If the score is less than or equal to 400, the grade is going to be D. If the score is less than or equal to 600, the grade is going to be C. The score is less than or equal to 800, it's going to be grade B. Else default, the grade is going to be A. So let's understand this. How do we implement using if, else if and else actions in Power Automate desktop? So to begin with, search for if action and drag that. We will configure the first operand, it's going to be the score. And then you have a multiple operator. So if you have the numeric value, of course you will select the relevant operator. If you have a string as a variable, then you can also go with starts with, ends with, does not start with, and different options available in the operator. For us, it's a numeric value. So let's stick around with score and we will select less than or equals to 400. If you have the second operand also as a variable, you can very well select that. Click on save. And now we need to set the variable. So use set variable, drag in between if, and then the variable is going to be the grade. So we will just go ahead and select the variable and the grade is going to be D. Click on save. Okay, now we will select else if. So you drag else if between if and then you have the else if. So again we will go ahead and select the score is less than or equals to, we'll go with 600, click on save, and then again we'll have to go with set variable, drag here, and the variable is going to be the grade and it's going to be C. Click on save. Again we will select else if, again drag here, prompt it's going to be score less than or equals to 800, save, and again it's going to be set variable. Let's drag and we will select grade as B, and finally we just have to go with else statement. So it's the else action. Just define else here, and here let's also use set variable, drag and drop, and it's going to be default A. So grade A. So we are good with that. Our value is 900. So what that means is it shouldn't go to any of the if or else if action. It should directly set it in the default and should set it to A. So let's run this. And you saw it is now grade A. So it has gone to if, else if, nothing was actually true, and that's the reason it just set the variable to A. Let's go ahead and change this to, let's just say 570. Click on save. Again run the flow, 570, and now the grade is C because it's not less than or equal to 400. It is equals to less than 600. So it has gone into this block of action and this has completed the flow. So it's a very simple example. I hope this helped you to understand how do we use if, else if, and else. I thank you so much for watching the video.